Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a dual SIM slot on Honor 70 Lite. And to do this, we'll need to open a slot on the left side of our phone, and inside we have a one SIM slot for sure, and I think you can insert another one right here. We're gonna check it. Yep, it fits nicely. Now let's check if it will detect that card. Yep, it already detected the card because I can see the number, and here it is, dual SIM slot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.